I don't get it. We say Eicha every single year. Every single year. When are we going to get to Beit HaMikdash?
Well, I have a couple ideas. Join me. Let's go discover together.
What are you doing to bring Mashiach?
First of all, that smile of yours is going to bring Mashiach. Got to thank Hashem more and more and more. We need more Yidden like InKredible kids. We need more Yidden spreading Torah, spreading light, spreading love all around the world. And B'siyat D'Shmai, Mashiach's in the ear. Can you feel it?
Hi everybody, and welcome to Kibbutz Nir Oz. We are in a part of Israel that I have never been to before until today. Kids, this over here is Mr. Rosedale. He's done a lot of things in his life, and now he's in a position to give tzedakah to different organizations who need the money. And Nir Oz is a place that had a lot of destruction, right?
The first time I went to Nir Oz, this is a kibbutz that had terrible things happen to it. But the people there are very special. In spite of all they've been through, they want to come home. They want to rebuild. So we can plant those trees and rebuild Kibbutz Nir Oz.
He's really taking care of rebuilding this whole place. Be'ahavat chinam yibaneh. What does that mean? It's like we are all different parts of one body. Let's say one of your fingers hurt. Is it just, ouch, my finger hurts? Or your whole body is kind of in pain? You feel it, right? And we're all here to help each other.
You could be nice to people even if they're like a different type of Jew.
And that's how we're going to bring Mashiach. From wherever you are in the world, everybody wants Mashiach. We have the power to rebuild again.